What's the latest development in AI technology? Well, it's not every day we witness a giant leap in technological advancements, but today we're talking about something that is nothing short of revolutionary. Meet Gemini, Google's latest generative AI model that is set to reshape the landscape of artificial intelligence as we know it. Google is rolling out Gemini in phases, with the model coming in three sizes: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. The Ultra model, the most advanced version, is slated for availability in early 2024. What sets Gemini apart is its ability to process different types of media and run on various sources. An impressive feat indeed. But how does Gemini fare against other AI models in terms of performance? Quite well, it turns out. The Ultra model of Gemini outperformed human experts on massive multitask language understanding, with a score of 90%, surpassing OpenAI's GPT-4's score of 86.4%. Gemini Pro also outperformed GPT 3.5, and users can test a fine-tuned version for Bard starting today. Gemini isn't just a technological marvel, it's also versatile. It's been trained on tensor processing units, or TPUs, and will run on both GPUs and TPUs in the future. Google has big plans for Gemini and intends to integrate it into its popular products over time. For instance, Gemini Nano will be available on the Pixel 8 Pro smartphone, enabling features such as voice recording summarization. Google also plans to add Gemini to SGE, Chrome, Duet AI, and other products in the coming months. Google's co-founder Sergey Brin has reportedly been heavily involved in the development of Gemini, reflecting his passion for AI and Google's determination to stay competitive in the AI landscape. Google is focusing on developing Gemini and its chatbot Bard to compete in the field of AI, even as it faces competition from Meta's Llama 2, a new language model released in partnership with Microsoft. Developed by researchers from DeepMind and Google Brain, Gemini is a next-gen multimodal AI model that can process images, text, audio, video, and coding languages. The model combines techniques from AlphaGo and ChatGPT and is expected to have an advantage over GPT-4 due to leveraging Google's data and generating fewer incorrect answers. In summary, Google's Gemini is a cutting-edge AI model designed to process different types of media and run on various sources. It outperforms other AI models, and Google plans to integrate it into many of its popular products. With the involvement of Google's co-founder, Sergey Brin, and the expertise of researchers from DeepMind and Google Brain, Gemini is set to shake up the realm of artificial intelligence. The future of AI looks intriguing, and we can't wait to see what's next.